Good morning, my YouTube viewers. It's Crystal here. I'm just here because I want to do a very short code review for you on how to make a mosaic plot. And I got this code off of the internet, but I modified it for my purposes. So obviously I had to borrow it. But it is modified for my purposes, so that's why I'm doing a code review. And what we're using is we're using the Titanic data set. So in order to make this mosaic plot, we have to import our libraries first. So we're going to import pandas as PD. We're going to import numpy as np. We're going to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. We're going to import statsmodels.graphics.mosaicplot. And from that, we're going to import mosaic. And from iter-tools, we're going to import product. And so basically, what we're going to do is pandas is your data processing library, numpy is your numeric computation library, matplotlib is your graphics library, and stats models has a graphics section, and so we're going to use stats models as well. And iter-tools, it deals with the rows of the data frame. And then so what we're going to do is we're going to do a crosstab. We're using the Titanic data set. So we're going to use crosstab from pandas. So crosstable equals pd.crosstab data survived, comma, data sets. Crosstable equals pd.dataframe crosstable, and you're going to see cross-table. So now it's been converted to a data frame with two columns called female and male, and two rows called 0 and 1. So now we're going to go about the business of creating the mosaic plot. So we're going to take column names equals list crosstable.columns, and Titanic names equals list data.columns. And now we're going to create our prompts. Our prompts is an empty dictionary. So prompts, and then it says column names 1, and then it's string crosstable.index1 equals space color red, edge color white. Then you have prompts, column names 1, string crosstable index 0 equals space color colon red, edge color colon white. We have prompts, column names 0, and then comma string crosstable index 1. We have face color colon xkcd aqua, edge color equals white. And then we have prompts, column names 0, comma string crosstable index 0 equals face color colon xkcd aqua, edge color equals white. So what these column names are doing is they're actually setting up the mosaic. And column names 1 is the male, and column name 0 is the female. And crosstable index is 1, and then crosstable index 1 is the first, one row, row 1, and crosstable index 0 is row 0. So you can look and see you've got your female and male, and you've got your 0 and 1. And then we're going to create a lambda function called label placer equals lambda k colon. So we have to put all this stuff in there again. So column names 1, column string crosstable index 1 colon crosstable dot italk 1 1. And then the next one is column name 0, string cross table index 1, colon, cross table dot iloc 1 0. And then column names 1, comma, string cross table dot index 0, colon, cross table dot iloc 0 1. And then column name 0, comma, string cross table index 0, colon, cross table dot iloc 0 0, and then it's K. And then so we say and then the next thing we do is we call the mosaic function from stats modules, and then we use the data, which is your Titanic data set, and then so we use Titanic names 3 and Titanic names 2, comma, labelizer equals labelizer, and properties equals props. And so we run that line of code, and we've got our mosaic plot, and we I've double checked it and checked it. So the female, we have 127 and 339, 127, 339, and the male, we have 161 and 682. So the male is 161 and 682. So of the females, 127 didn't survive, and of the males, 682 didn't survive. And of the females, 339 did survive, and of the males, 161 did survive. So you can see that proportionately more females survived than males. So that's it for your mosaic plot. I'd never seen a mosaic plot before. I saw a mosaic plot in R, but what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find another free online compiler that I can use for R, and then I can start doing more complex things in R as well. But the great thing about Python is we've got Google Colab, so we can do all of our work on Google Colab, which is what I like to use, and which is what I've used to make this program. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video because we've already talked about the mosaic plot, and that's the purpose of the video. And so if you like my video, please like, subscribe, share. And thank you so much to my subscribers for supporting my channel and watching my video. Thank you very much.